Hello viewers. Meet again with me on Mauto channel. This time I will explain about 14 benefits of acai berry for body health. Acai berry is one type of berry fruit is actually used by the Amazon forest inland for thousands of years ago and still survive until today. Acai berry itself is quite rarely heard in the ears of the people of Indonesia, because it is not a fruit berry native to Indonesia, and also lost prestige with other types of berry fruits, such as strawberries, blackberries, and grape. Currently, to obtain acai berry can usually be obtained at supermarkets that sell imported fruits, because the acai berry fruit cannot be found in traditional markets. Besides can be encountered in the form of fresh fruit, acai berry is also now packed in pill form, and also the form of bottle packaging that is claimed to have many benefits. Excess acai berry fruits. Regardless of the claims from manufacturers that make supplements from the basic ingredients of acai berry fruit itself has many health benefits for the body. What are the benefits of acai berry? The following are the benefits of acai berry for body health. Number 1. Improve body resistance and immunity. Acai berries have abundant amounts of vitamins and minerals. One of the benefits of different vitamin content contained in acai berry is to improve and maintain immune and body immunity that is useful to prevent disease. Number 2. Always fit and fresh in activity. In addition to boosting immunity, vitamin content in acai berry can also be useful to keep the body to stay fit and always fresh in the move, so you can move well every day. Number 3. As an antioxidant. Benefits of acai berry also has a very good antioxidant content for the health of the body. With these antioxidants, the body can be protected from various diseases, especially diseases that are chronic. Number 4. Anti-cancer. As one type of fruit that has a high content of antioxidants and vitamins, acai berry is able to prevent the growth of cancer cells in the body. This means that acai berry is very effective in preventing cancer, which is certainly very dangerous for the health of the body. Number 5. Maintaining heart health. Benefits of acai berry is also very good for maintaining heart health. With good heart health, all kinds of disorders of the heart organ will be avoided, such as heart attack and heart failure. Number 6. Good for digestive health. Acai berry fruit has a very high fiber content. This makes acai berry very good and beneficial in maintaining the health of the digestive tract, especially in the intestine. Number 7. Prevents hemorrhoids and disorders of the digestive system. Hemorrhoids are one of the digestive health disorders that occur due to the condition of fiber deficiency in the body. By consuming acai berry regularly, the symptoms of hemorrhoids and other digestive disorders can be overcome easily. The following are some of the symptoms of indigestion: diarrhea, constipation, bowel obstruction, kidney failure, kidney stones, appendix. Number 8. Gives energy to the body. Just like other types of berries, acai berry has a very good nutrition for the body. Acai berry can provide adequate energy intake for the body, so it is very good for those of you who are doing carbohydrate diet. Number 9. Lowers cholesterol. Acai berry also has a variety of content that proves effective in controlling cholesterol levels in the body. In addition to controlling cholesterol levels in the body, acai berry was also able to lower cholesterol levels in the body, so that acai berry can be one of the mandatory menu for those suffering from cholesterol disease. Number 10. Keeping weight. For women who are on a diet program to lose weight, acai berry was also effective in maintaining weight. In addition, acai berry is also able to lose weight, but of course must also be added with a portion of exercise enough to optimize weight loss. Number 11. Good for skin health. Benefits of other acai berries also contain vitamin E is very good for skin health. Besides good for skin health, acai berry is also considered good to help men garger hair health. Number 12. Preventing acne and skin diseases. For those who have acne is very disturbing, just calm down, because the content of various vitamins present in acai berry is able to treat and eliminate acne, especially because the content of vitamin E and vitamin C it. Number 13. Prevent aging. Benefits of other acai berry. Antioxidant content contained in acai berry make acai berry able to ward off free radicals, which plays an important role in preventing the occurrence of premature aging. Number 14. Good for bone health. Acai berry contains calcium and phosphorus. Both of these minerals are excellent for maintaining your bone health, and can help preventing osteoporosis, optimizes absorption of nutrients by bone, maintaining bone structure, helps optimal bone growth. That's 14 benefits of acai berry fruit you need to know. Hope this video is useful. Do not forget to like and subscribe this video, to provide other good information. See you later. Thank you.